Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video, we are talking about Tron TRX crypto. What's the current price of TRX? And I'm talking about the urgent latest update of TRX. So keep watching this video till the end, friends. And if you're new to my channel, so please make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates, friends. Now let's start the video, friends. First of all, we talk about the current day price of TRX, friends. The currently at this time price of TRX as about 0.160068 USD dollar is the current day price of TRX, friends. If we talk about the prices occurring in the TRX core, friends, so I hope that they continue this kind of change throughout this month, friends. The positive change occur in the TRX in the last 1 hour, the last 1 day, the last 1 week change. The whole changes occur in the TRX going positive, friends. So first of all, congratulations to all TRX holder, friends. Now, friends, let's see the price chart of the TRX for more details. As you can see here, friends, on this time and these points, a lot of holders do a biggest mistake, and also in this time, friends. That as you can see here, a TRX fast down occur in this point, friends. As you can see here, friends. If you look, the prices occur in the TRX, so 12.22% positive change occur in the TRX fronts, and the highest price of the TRX is about 0.167933 USD is the highest price, friend. So as you know that the both changes occur in the TRX, as I show you in the start of video. That's also last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week change as positive, friends. A lot of holders do a biggest mistake on this tab, as you know that the price change is positive, friends. And when they see this kind of falls over in a TRX, so they goes to market in this same TRX crypto. So that is the biggest mistake of TRX. Please be aware from this mistake. Don't do this mistake, all of you, friends. When you see a small fast hooker in the TRX, so it's a temporary fast, and absolutely in the start of the new month, friends, every cryptocurrency is fast down, and every cryptocurrency is a little fast occur in the start of new month, friends. So same like that, it is the start of new month, friends, and TRX also fast down for a little time, friends. So it's a temporary fast. After that fast, they again take a jump, friends. So what's your opinion about TRX? Please don't do this mistake and don't sell TRX in this time, friends. What's your opinion? Please share in the comment box, and kindly don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates. Subscribe is very important for all of you. That is why subscribe now.